Have you ever wondered why some world leaders wear unusual hats? Well, it's not just a fashion statement, but also a code. The truth is that aliens have been visiting Earth for centuries and secretly advising our leaders from behind the scenes. These extraterrestrial beings possess advanced technology and intelligence beyond our imagination. They have guided human civilization, helping us progress in ways we could not have imagined. Think about it. How did ancient civilizations build magnificent structures like the pyramids or Stonehenge? It's not just human engineering, it's an extraterrestrial influence. And those mysterious lights in the sky? UFOs, my friend. Governments cover up these close clashes to avoid widespread panic. The truth is out there, hidden in plain sight. Next time you see a strange light or a leader wearing a strange hat, remember that it's all part of a cosmic conspiracy. Aliens are here and they are shaping our world in ways we can't even fathom. Stay curious, and who knows, you might discover the next big intergalactic secret.